guys. Dito lang. Uy, maraming lato dito. Ayan o, yung green. Marami dito. Kaso nga lang, ayan, hindi ako makakuha. Doon ako nanguha. Pero di ako makakuha. Ayun, ayun yung lato. Oh, ang dami. Sea grapes. Marami ditong sea grapes. Kaso lang mahangin. Nasira dito dahil sa malakas na hangin. Ah! It's look at the current in there. Babe, they have a lot of seaweeds. Get it for me. Yeah. Ang daming lato, guys. Ayun oh. Yung naka-green. It's not seaweed, sea grapes.
Sea grapes.
Yeah. I like that.
You eat that?
Yeah. But it's small. See that they have a lot in there. Diba sa atin? Takot lang ako baka madulas. Madulas siguro yan dyan. Gusto ko yung ano. Dito tayo. Ayan o. Ayan, nagkumpulan. Ay, natakot ako baka madulas. Gusto ko dito, guys. Ay, may crabs. Ang daming crabs. Ayun. Ayun yung sea grapes. Ang daming crabs dito. Paano ba kumuha ng crabs? Ang dami oh. Ayun yung lato. Naka-ano. Yan ang lato. Kaso lang, ano siya, maliliit pa. Ayan. Maliliit lang, hindi siya malalaki. Tingnan mo yung bato. Napunta siya dito, guys. So, punta tayo dito. Maganda dito maglakad-lakad sa ano. Kaso lang, gusto ko dito kasi ang daming sea grapes. Ayan o, mga lato dyan. Pwede tayo manguha ng lato. Kaso lang ngayon, maalon. Ayan. Maalon siya, guys. So, yung mga lato, kinakain siya ng ano. Hello. May nangingisda rin dito. So, ayan. Ay. Ang daming seaweeds, ayun, no? Sa bato. Oh, you have that fish. Fish. Oh, look at that. The pelicans got fish. You eat that. The small one. I have a lot of sea grapes. Daddy, look what he has. See? Yeah. He got a fish. Hey, the pelican got it. Marami ditong crabs. Saka sea grapes. Babe, do like that. Look naman, he got a big fish and he can't eat it because it's too big. You see? Oh my God, I think he got a big fish. at that. A lot here. It's like crabs. See? Sometimes the sea grips here. It's right there. It's a big fish, huh? Wow, so big. Daddy, she got me ulit. Some big fish. What is that, shark? Ah, we can eat shark? Huh? Oh, got shark, huh? Wow, that's why it's heavy. Oh, poor, poor one. The shark got caught.